Hello guys, my name is Frost Gamer. Today we're going to unboxing this big egg. I don't know what is inside, but there is dinosaurs inside, guys. And after that, there is a hammer. I don't know why there's a hammer here, guys. I think there is toys inside, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go open this big egg. I already opened the egg.
Give it to me like.
Guys, ayo kita unboxing yuk, guys. Isi mana ya? Ya. Gak boleh Carol. Ya. Gimana ya caranya? We're done with the scissor. Now we put it. Now we do this. Putar. Ya. Ayo. Oh yes. Yes. It's time to open. Iya. Oh. Huh? What's it? Oh yes. Oh yes. We open. Ya. Also. Hah? Isinya apa ya guys? Ya. Nih. Isi apa? Ada ini. Ada fossil. And there is slime the dinosaur. Slime the dinosaurio. Slime. And there is a fossil. And there is also a map here. I wanted to see, guys, but my little sister take it.
Belakang coba.
Hah? Ini belakang. Nih, this is a fossil form bounce of the fossil as food. Let's go open this first. Yeah. Ini koko. Oke, guys, kita unboxing fossil dulu yuk. Jaril. Terus cara aja. Gak bisa Jaril. Oke guys, ayo kita buka ini yuk guys. Aduh. Woi. Ini buka. Ayo kita taruh sini yuk guys. No. Aduh guys. Aduh. Cara bukan kayak gitu loh. Oke guys, it's time. Cara taruh sini. It's time to unboxing. Let's go open it with this hammer. Go. Oh my god, guys. This is so unbreakable. Here. This one, Cheryl. Apa? Koko can, Cheryl. Cheryl, koko bisa. Bisa jadi. Ayolah. Ini loh, kayak bisa kalau di situ. Ini loh, kayak gini loh. Lihat apa? Nah, kayak gini. Oh, bisa. Guys, there's a dinosaur inside here. And now the second one. Oke guys, di dalam fossil ada kepala dinosaur nih guys. Cheryl tunjukin. Nih guys, ayo kita unboxing yang lain yuk guys. Good thing. What we will get. What is it ya? Going to use this one. No need. No need. Oh my god. Oh my god guys. Oh gosh. Oh my god guys. We found the fossil again guys.
Yeah.
That is the fossil. There's another fossils in here.
Well,
I wanted to see.
yeah. We see.
Oh my god, this is so sandy.
Then
There's nothing else, guys. There's nothing else. Yeah, this is the body, guys.
yeah. Okay. Satu pokok.
Oke, guys. Kita tadi unboxing yang fossil itu, guys. Terus kita dapat ini, guys. Cheryl tunjukin bodinya.
Body.
Itu body Cheryl.
Body.
Ayo kita unboxing yang kelas yuk, guys. Ini
Yes.
kayak lava nih, guys. Ayo kita unboxing yuk.
Ya. Ya yuk.
No. Ouch.
No atuh. Guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Cheryl, gak bisa kamu, Del. Gak bisa, ini masih belum buka. Oke, guys, saya kita buka dari sini yuk.
Ya.
Gimana sih?
Ya.
Bukan kok, lanjutin lagi ya.
Gak perlu. Oh,
Oke.
this is lava.
Dum dum.
Lava and slime.
Bisa.
Inside there is this. It's time to open, guys. It's time for me. Oh, yeah! This is so disgusting. Oh my god. Thank you, guys.
Guys.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Shine Papa.
Slime.
Shine atus.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shine.
Slime. Look at the slime. At the slime.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shine. Yeah. Yeah. Shine.
Oh.
Oh. Yes.
Putihnya mana tuh? Gak boleh tuh.
Oh my god, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Taruh air tah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Papa.
Deh,
Yeah.
slime.
Taruh
Shine.
air di dalam sini.
Can you?
Ah, shine.
All of the slime in here. Why is it taking so long?
Can you use your hand
Yes.
Yes.
to collect all of that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we can. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No.
Ya.
Taruh aja Jarul, taruh. Mama nggak suka slime.
Shine. Shine. Shine.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What is this?
Is
One by one.
wine. Wine juice.
One by one.
Wine.
Like a leg, a body,
Has body and legs
Asin.
and the tail.
Asin ini.
Oh my god, guys. Why is it so yucky, guys?
Kaki.
Jarul taruh.
Kaki.
Iya, nya ay.
Iya. Iya. Koko. Iya.
Okay, guys.
Oh gosh.
No, it is not a tail.
like that, eh?
That is the tail, actually.
Okay.
Tail.
Ya.
What cover here?
Dah.
What cover here?
Wait, something is inside the slime. Jarul, something is inside the slime.
Shine.
Something is inside, is it? Huh?
Ah.
What is this, guys? Oh, this is the leg.
Ya.
Jarul pegang yang sudah ini. Pegang yang ini. Jarul pegang. Jarul pegang ini.
Ini.
Ya. Jarul pegang ini.
Ya. Shine.
Oh my god, guys.
Oh gosh.
There is more slimes in here.
Shine.
Yay, slimes.
Shine.
Slime. Share.
Shine.
Jarul bisa pegang tas slime.
Iya. Shine. Shine.
These are more.
Ya.
Hey, Jarul.
Here's the tail.
Ya.
The head.
You must use it.
Tunggu, Jarul.
Ya. Iya.
We're putting the slime here. Tak apa-apa. Kan untuk apa slime-nya? Oh my god, guys.
Kak. Ya. Ya.
And the front one. To find the part.
Yes, I have to find it.
Ini.
I'll put the part.
Okay, thank you.
Put that one. The head. There is the head.
Headnya diduduk sama Jarul. The head
Hai.
and the body,
Body. Ini.
the legs
Yes.
and the hands,
Yes.
and I think this is the top.
Dog.
This is the tails.
Ya.
Okay, guys.
Lagi.
Jarul nggak bisa Koko. Koko dulu ya, Koko dulu. Guys, we wanted to fill the legs first.
Hati. Hati. Koko. Hati. Hadis. 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 Koko.
Nanti ini tangannya.
Oh. Koko. Koko.
Okay, guys, the first hand is already.
Hadis.
There's going to be the red part later. Jarul, where's the other hand? Jarul, mana yang lain? Oh, this is like Groudon
Hati.
for a Pokemon.
Hati. Adik, Koko.
Apa? Loh. Why is this one more longer? Cheryl! Tunggu.
Awas.
Oh my god, I think I'm wrong.
Ayo.
Tunggu Cheryl. Masa sabar nih.
Oh, that's hard.
Okay guys. Where's the other?
Iya,
Cheryl, kamu gak bisa keras banget loh.
bisa jadi.
Bukan kayak gitu loh Cheryl. Kamu gak tahu kok. Gini loh. Oke, mau dibantu atau enggak sih?
No, hantu ya. Hantu ya. Yes, bisa. Bisa, Koko.
Cheryl belum bisa, Cheryl belum tahu. Satunya mana? Cheryl.
Jadi bisa.
Satunya.
Jadi bisa.
Nih. Six.
Hantu.
Bukan kayak gitu loh Cheryl.
Apa?
Gak tahu kamu itu. Kayak gini loh. Masa bisa Cheryl? Masa bisa? Ayo coba.
Apa?
Ayo Cheryl coba.
Apa?
Aduh Cheryl, kamu itu gak bisa kayak gini loh. Easy banget.
Oh. Ini apa?
Aduh.
Ini apa?
Aduh Cheryl. Hello. Masa nggak tahu Cheryl ini apa? Ini loh Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Give it to me like.
It is so cool guys. Look at this guys.
Ya.
There is also lights in here guys. Look. See? There is lights. And it can open his mouth.
Mau.
Cheryl nanti rusak loh. Okay guys, we have fun making this thing guys. We also use that thing and also the slime and also the shovel guys. And we use experiments in that guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Cheryl bilang bye.
Bye.
Bye.